Now we will discuss the true false of your chapter. So the first question is, in grasshopper the male has XY and the female has XX type of chromosome. तो ये false है. Second है, the pea is normally a self-fertilizing plant. This is true. Third है, dihybrids are offspring of the parent who differ in one contrasting pair of traits. तो ये false है क्योंकि die means two, तो ये दो के अंदर. X-linked traits pass directly from the father to son. False, क्योंकि ये X-linked है तो ये mother to son होते हैं. Fifth है, a person suffering from blue cone monochromacy cannot see blue color. तो ये false है. Sixth है, in birds and moths the egg determines sex. ये true है. Seventh है, a homozygote form all the gametes of the same type. ये true है. Homo means same, तो same type के zygotes बनेंगे. Eighth है, the allele of a sex limited trait is dominant in one sex but recessive in the other. ये false है. Ninth है, the pattern of the baldness is the sex influence trait. So this is true. 10th है, the carrier of a hemophilia show no symptom of the disease. True, क्योंकि कैरियर हमेशा कोई भी सिम्टम्स शो नहीं करता. तो इसके साथ ही हमारे ट्रू फॉल्स कंप्लीट हो गए. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द MCQs ऑफ द चैप्टर.